How to find display settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find display settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find account, not account, this one, chats. Click on it and here you will find it, the first one, display, and you can change this one. You can make it light mode or dark mode. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.